past 2 or 3 days we've been fishing at a place called Neighbour Loch near York. It's a loch, it's full of perch, roach, rudd and bream and other silverfish like that, but we haven't caught anything. We've been fishing with sweet corn, but today we went out with my granddad and my mum to go outdoors, and we decided to get some of this dynamite bait sweet corn. It's good for catching all sorts of fish that eat sweet corn, but we're not going to use it while we're here. We're going to use it on Sunday when we go to Hilton, so hopefully that'll work. Adam also bought a big bag of groundbait, so he'll talk to you about that.
I bought the swim stim match groundbait by Dynamite Baits. It's good for catching. It's a really good groundbait for carp, bream and skimmers and F1s because it's a sweet fish meal groundbait, as you can see. It's a 2 kilogram bag, and I think it cost me just under £6. So I'm going to be using that on Sunday as well. Today we're at Hilton, and me and Ben have just caught a simultaneous catch, and they are both tench. There's Ben's.
It's mine's smaller than Adam's.
And I've caught quite a big one. There it is.
I'll release mine now because we know.
No, we'll put him back. Waggler. It's quite big. So we'll put him back, and that was caught on spam. Weighed it, and it was just under £2. Fought pretty hard, and I'm going to put him back now. That was caught on the drennan large. Still waggler. Put him back.
Today we've been fishing at Hilton, and this is my 3rd carp of the day. It's not a very big one, but he still put up a good fight. And well, I'd say he's only just under £1, but it's a nice fish. He's in nice condition, so we'll put him back.
We did our 2nd simultaneous catch, and they're both tench. I've just caught mine on the drennan medium groundbait feeder this time, not the large. Don't know if you can see it there. And Ben was using.
I'm using the small drennan waggler with the insert waggler. I've probably caught the smallest tench of my life. It is tiny. Adam's almost just dropped his, but I like the small insert waggler because it doesn't need much weight on it, and it's easy to sell. And you can see it well. Nice fish.
Caught our 3rd simultaneous catch today, and I've caught a nice big fat carp, big fat mirror. Ben has caught a stunning golden mirror.
My first ever one, and
these are pretty rare in here, in where we're fishing.
Adam's only ever caught one, and I've only ever caught one,
and they're not very bigly stocked. So this is mine. I'd probably say he's maybe about £2.
We'll wait, then we'll put the weight on for you. I'll talk you through the setup we're using today. Using £4 mainline, just because the fish are quite new in here, so there's no point tackling it really heavy. There's a drennan giant crystal waggler. This is the float. Well, I use this float every time we come in. Got the interchangeable tops if the the water's dead glare, you can change to a black top or whatever colour suits you. And if we go down, the lake's only about 8 foot, so
Whatever floats you float.
whatever floats you float, exactly. We've got a
Literally.
number 4, that will help the bait sink faster because we're using spam and it will sink but not very quickly. Then we got a size 16 drennan carp match hook. These hooks are bent, if you can see there. I like them, it keeps the bait on quite well and also holds the fish well. It's just a bit better, I think, to using not barbless. So that's it. Thank you.
I'm talking to a mark setup today. I'm using 4 pound main line. The float I'm using is a drennan giant waggler.
Just missed a bite, sorry.
Weight with 2 swan. That's anchored in with 3 triple A's. And then nothing till about 3 inches from the hook, and that is a VB. The hook we're using is a size 14 carp match hook, and that's also by drennan. It's a good hook. Of the day, and he's fighting like mad, and it feels big. Whew. I've had about 4 runs off him, and he's swum across.
Go around the other side, my Roger. I think he's coming out now.
And he's getting tired. So am I.
In the net. Not in the net. In the net. There we go.
Fat. Perfect cut through the rough. And that is a nice mirror to catch. We'll weigh him and we'll tell you how much he weighs in the description of the video. You won't believe it, I'm on my 8th carp and it feels quite big, probably one of the biggest I've fought, and it's just come out.